Selling solar is complex, but as the complexity grows, so do the tools which are meant to reduce that complexity. So tomorrow we'll be talking about one such tool that is really a godsend for solar installers, which helps them reduce their sales cycle as well as design cycle time by about 50 to 80%. Yes, 50 to 80%. Now, join me tomorrow for this live webinar where I discuss this tool and show you how you can grow your solar business about threefold in 6 months. So join me tomorrow. Link would be up there, down here, somewhere on the left or right. So join me tomorrow. Looking forward to meeting you in the live session. Also, don't forget to call your solar friends. You take care and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.